I'm now in Sinop, hiking this waterfall park. I'm now in Sinop and I'm hiking here the Erfelek Tatlica Falls. I have no idea if I'm saying this right, but this is a waterfall park and it contains 28 waterfalls. The 11 first ones I skipped because there's so much people here. I don't like that. That's the farther away you come from the start, that's the less people you come across. The hike up here is pretty cool. You really need to grab onto the rope and the trees to pull yourself up. It's so steep, so it's a really adventurous hike. I'm pretty enjoying myself now. First I was a bit worried that there was too much people here, but now, yes, this I love. A good adventure. This is supposed to be waterfall 18. You barely could call it a waterfall. If this is waterfall 18, this also could count as a waterfall. I think there are 100 waterfalls here, man. This waterfall park is in the north of Turkey, and this climate and this environment are so different. Look around you here and it's so green. Instead of the south of Turkey, it's all so dry. It's so strange that Turkey has so many different climates. I love it though. It reminds me a bit of Europe. Like the Black Forest in Germany, something like that. Waterfall 19 is for sure my favorite until now. It looks like it comes from a fairy tale with this tree in front of it, with the color of the water. It's a really awesome waterfall. This water is so cold, but I love it. I love to swim here. It's not really swimming. Not really swimming that I'm doing, but more dipping in. It's too small to swim. Three waterfalls in a row, 21, 23 and 24. Although it's such an adventurous hike, it's so easy. I'm just doing this on my sandals. This waterfall 27, the next one is the last one, and then we did them all. Except for the first 11 ones, they were too busy. Waterfall 28. Yes, we did it to the top. It was an awesome hike. So apparently there's a small restaurant slash cafe up here. I discovered that all the water that feeds these waterfalls comes from these two holes in this big rock. I think it's some underground bronze or something like that. On the way back down I chose for the same road. Yes, there were two roads leading up there, and it was maybe better to make a circle and do the two roads, but nah, the other one didn't look so adventurous, just looked like a normal path through the woods. That's also beautiful, but this path through the waterfalls, through the river, is just unique. I don't mind doing it twice.